Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to delve into the fabulous traditional fashion choices of the stylish actress, Mrunal Thakur. So, without further ado, let's get started. First on our list are the stunning lehengas that Mrunal has been spotted in. She effortlessly combines elegance and a contemporary twist in her lehenga choices. Whether it's a classic red or a modern pastel, she knows how to make heads turn. Next, we have Mrunal's love for saris. She's often seen gracing red carpets and events in beautiful traditional saris. Her draping style is impeccable, and she knows how to choose the right accessories to complement the look. Moving on to anarkalis, the actress is no stranger to this traditional attire. She looks ethereal in these long flowing outfits. Her choice of vibrant colors and intricate embroidery truly makes her stand out. She's known for combining traditional elements with contemporary fashion. Be it a jacket over a sari or modern silhouettes with ethnic prints, she knows how to make a statement. Her selection of statement jewelry, from jhumkas to statement necklaces, perfectly complements her traditional looks. Let's discuss her affinity for palazzo sets. She effortlessly carries this modern twist on traditional wear. Palazzos paired with kurtas or long tops make for a comfortable and chic ensemble. Her traditional wardrobe is also filled with vibrant ethnic prints. She embraces a wide range of prints, from intricate block prints to bold geometric patterns, adding a playful and artistic touch to her outfits. Embellishments are a key element in her traditional fashion choices. Whether it's intricate zari work, sequins, or mirror work, she knows how to choose outfits that sparkle and shine. The actress often experiments with traditional drapes and silhouettes. She's been spotted in unique styles like dhoti pants, cape-style kurtas, and asymmetrical hemlines, proving her versatility as a fashion icon. Mrunal Thakur proudly supports handloom weaves. She often dons hand-woven silk and cotton saris, promoting the rich heritage of Indian textiles and craftsmanship. One aspect of her traditional fashion choices that we can't overlook is her vintage-inspired looks. She often pays homage to classic eras through her outfits, whether it's the elegance of the 1950s or the bohemian vibes of the 70s. A crucial element of Mrunal's traditional outfits is her attention to detail. She frequently pairs her saris and lehengas with handcrafted blouses. These blouses feature intricate embroidery, beadwork, and unique designs that elevate her entire look. She doesn't limit herself to one specific regional style. She explores the diverse traditional fashion of India, whether it's the vibrant colors of Rajasthan, the intricate weaves of Banaras, or the grace of South Indian saris. Another commendable aspect of Mrunal Thakur's traditional fashion choices is her commitment to sustainability. She often opts for eco-friendly fabrics and promotes the use of handloom textiles to support local artisans and reduce her environmental footprint. When it comes to red carpet events, the actress knows how to make a grand entrance. Her traditional red carpet gowns and lehengas are a perfect blend of opulence and style, making her a standout at every major event. Mrunal is also known for her layered ensembles in traditional wear. She often combines multiple pieces, like a long jacket over a kurta or layering a sari with an embellished shawl, creating unique and eye-catching looks. Another element of her traditional fashion is her love for statement dupattas. She can transform a simple outfit into something extraordinary by draping a vibrant, intricately designed dupatta that adds a pop of color and style. While she experiments with diverse traditional prints and colors, Mrunal also effortlessly pulls off monochrome looks. She showcases the beauty of a single color, often with detailed work that adds depth and elegance. Her attention to detail extends to her choice of accessories. She's often seen wearing retro-inspired accessories like vintage handbags, classic sunglasses, and retro jewelry, adding a touch of nostalgia to her traditional outfits. Beyond her personal style, she is an advocate for sustainable fashion. She encourages her fans and followers to make mindful fashion choices and embrace timeless, traditional pieces that have a lower impact on the environment. One thing that sets Mrunal apart is her choice of festive couture. During festivals and special occasions, she embraces opulent fabrics, intricate embroidery, and luxurious detailing, ensuring that she looks resplendent at every celebration. She has a knack for choosing timeless silhouettes. She opts for traditional cuts and styles that stand the test of time, ensuring that her outfits remain relevant and fashionable for years to come. While she's known for her grand and eye-catching traditional outfits, the actress also knows the power of minimalist elegance. She can make a strong fashion statement with simple, yet sophisticated, traditional attire. Mrunal Thakur's traditional fashion choices often feature heirloom jewelry. She values the beauty and history behind these pieces, and they add a sense of heritage and authenticity to her outfits. In her quest for the perfect traditional look, she also experiments with various textures. Be it silk, velvet, brocade, or chiffon, she knows how to choose fabrics that add depth and character to her ensembles. Complementing her traditional ensembles, the actress often opts for fusion footwear. She knows how to select statement shoes, like jute tees with intricate embroidery or kolhapuri chappals, to add that perfect finishing touch to her traditional looks. She has collaborated with renowned designers to create one-of-a-kind traditional pieces. These designer collaborations result in custom-made outfits that are not only exclusive but also reflect her personal style. In her traditional fashion, Mrunal is a master of contrast. She plays with contrasting colors, combining bold hues with muted tones, and it creates a visually stunning impact, making her stand out on every occasion. Beyond her own fashion choices, she is involved in various sustainable fashion initiatives. She actively promotes eco-friendly fashion brands and sustainable practices within the fashion industry. Mrunal's traditional fashion is often influenced by the festivals she celebrates. Mrunal doesn't shy away from personalizing her traditional outfits. She often adds her own unique touch to garments, whether it's hand-painted designs, personalized monograms, or intricate hand embroidery, making her traditional wear truly unique. Amid the ever-changing fashion trends, Mrunal Thakur's traditional fashion always maintains an air of timeless elegance. She proves that classic style never goes out of fashion, and her choices stand as an enduring example of this. In addition to her sustainable fashion initiatives, the actress extends her eco-friendly ethos to her accessories. She is often seen sporting accessories made from recycled materials or supporting artisans who create sustainable pieces. One of the remarkable aspects of Mrunal's traditional fashion is her ability to adapt to different seasons. Her outfits for summer are breezy and light, while for winter, she embraces rich fabrics and layering techniques. Her love for traditional fashion extends to her efforts to promote and preserve traditional Indian artistry. She often collaborates with local artisans and craftspeople, further endorsing the importance of handmade, traditional fashion. The actress' appreciation for traditional fashion extends to her choice of regional handicrafts. She often wears outfits featuring intricate hand-woven fabrics, such as Chanderi, Maheshwari, or Kanjivaram, highlighting the rich diversity of Indian textiles. She also understands the cultural significance behind her outfits. She often shares the stories and histories associated with the traditional garments she wears, educating her audience on the heritage and meaning behind them. To complete her traditional look, she pays close attention to her hair and makeup. She adapts her hairstyles and makeup to complement the specific traditional outfit she's wearing, whether it's a classic bun and kohl-rimmed eyes or a more contemporary approach. One of the most charming aspects of her traditional choices is her use of family heirlooms. She often incorporates her grandmother's or mother's jewelry or clothing into her ensembles, preserving the memories and heritage they represent. She is not only a fashion icon but also an advocate for local artisans. She actively promotes and celebrates the skills and craftsmanship of local weavers, embroiderers, and craftsmen, helping to sustain their livelihoods and traditions. One of her favorite traditional hairstyles is the classic bun. Whether it's a low bun or a high bun, she knows how to style it to perfection. This timeless hairstyle complements her traditional saris and lehengas beautifully. For a more contemporary take on traditional fashion, the actress sometimes goes for side-swept curls. This elegant and romantic hairstyle pairs well with anarkalis or gowns, adding a touch of glamour to her look. She often opts for traditional braided hairstyles. Be it a simple 3-strand braid adorned with flowers or a more intricate fishtail braid, she knows how to incorporate these styles into her traditional looks. For a blend of modern and traditional, Mrunal sometimes chooses half-up half-down hairstyles. This versatile look allows her to keep her hair down while adding a touch of traditional charm with an elegant hairpin or accessory. One consistent element in her traditional hairstyles is the use of floral hair accessories. She often adorns her hair with fresh or artificial flowers that add a sense of festivity and cultural significance to her look. Mrunal occasionally embraces the traditional South Indian, Jade, or Juda, hairstyle. This intricate plait is adorned with stunning jewelry, making it an ideal choice to complement her traditional silk saris and temple jewelry. To add a touch of grace and fragrance to her traditional hairstyles, the actress often includes gajra, which is a string of jasmine flowers. This fragrant and delicate addition enhances her overall traditional look. For special occasions, Mrunal goes for traditional updos. These hairstyles are intricate and often involve twists and turns, creating a regal and elegant appearance that matches her traditional outfits. She sometimes opts for a classic middle-part hairstyle, which is reminiscent of traditional Bollywood heroines. This style adds a sense of nostalgia and blends beautifully with her choice of vintage-inspired traditional attire. She skillfully selects traditional hairpins, ornate combs, and jeweled hair accessories that complement her attire. Runal often chooses to embrace the charm of a simple traditional braid but elevates it with gold accessories and accents. This adds a regal touch to her look and is particularly striking when she pairs it with traditional saris. For a romantic and elegant look, she sometimes opts for a side bun adorned with floral hairpins. This classic yet fresh hairstyle pairs beautifully with her lehengas, creating a harmonious and stylish look. A crown braid is another favorite of Mrunal's. This traditional hairstyle is intricate and gracefully frames her face, making it a perfect choice for special occasions and traditional events. Even in traditional attire, the actress manages to add a touch of French elegance with the classic French twist hairstyle. This sophisticated updo complements her traditional outfits with an air of refinement. For a more relaxed and playful traditional look, she goes for the messy bun. She decorates it with traditional hairpins or embellishments, creating a stylish yet carefree appearance. Runal often opts for classic red lips when she's donning traditional attire. The bold red lip complements her traditional outfits, adding a touch of glamour and sophistication to her overall look. Winged eyeliner is a signature element of Mrunal's traditional makeup. It adds a touch of drama to her eyes and perfectly complements her traditional look, especially when she's wearing a sari or lehenga. For a radiant and flawless look, the actress ensures that her base makeup is impeccable. She often goes for dewy foundations, expertly applied blush, and subtle contouring to achieve a fresh and glowing complexion. She often chooses shimmery eyeshadows in earthy or gold tones, which add a touch of sparkle and elegance to her traditional eye makeup. A traditional bindi is a key element of Mrunal's traditional makeup. She skillfully selects bindis that complement her outfits and face shape, and they add a sense of cultural significance to her look. Runal often embraces the beauty of kohl-rimmed eyes in her traditional makeup. This classic look adds depth and intensity to her gaze, emphasizing her eyes, especially when she pairs it with traditional saris. For a sculpted and refined look, she incorporates subtle contouring in her traditional makeup. It enhances her features and gives her face a chiseled and elegant appearance. The actress knows the power of blush in her traditional makeup. She often chooses soft, rosy blush shades that add a youthful and fresh glow to her cheeks, perfectly complementing her traditional ensembles. While she loves her classic red lips, Mrunal also appreciates the beauty of matte finish lipsticks. Matte lips give her a polished and sophisticated look when she's wearing traditional outfits. To add radiance and a touch of glamour, the actress highlights her features. She often applies highlighter to her cheekbones, nose bridge, and brow bone, creating a luminous and ethereal glow. Runal occasionally opts for soft smoky eyes in her traditional makeup. This adds a touch of mystique and allure to her look, making her eyes the focal point of her traditional ensembles. She may incorporate glitter eyeshadow or eyeliner, particularly when she's wearing elaborate traditional outfits. In her quest for a rich and luxurious look, she often selects velvet matte finish lipstick. This choice adds a sense of opulence and depth to her lips, complementing her traditional style. To achieve an ethereal and dreamy appearance, the actress prefers dewy skin in her traditional makeup. She uses hydrating products to create a luminous and fresh complexion. On occasion, Mrunal incorporates playful and colorful eyeliners into her traditional makeup. These bold eyeliners add vibrancy and a contemporary twist to her overall look. She is no stranger to statement necklaces. She often chooses ornate, intricate necklaces that are the centerpiece of her traditional ensembles. These necklaces add drama and elegance to her look. Earrings are an essential part of her traditional accessories. Whether it's jhumkas, chandbalis, or traditional chandelier earrings, she knows how to select the perfect pair to enhance her overall look. To add a touch of traditional charm and cultural significance, the actress occasionally wears nose rings. These delicate and ornate pieces bring authenticity and depth to her traditional style. Runal often embraces the beauty of bangles and bracelets. She chooses a mix of traditional bangles, beaded bracelets, and cuffs to adorn her wrists, adding a sense of grace and style. To complete her traditional look, the actress includes anklets and toe rings. These are subtle yet significant traditional accessories that add an authentic and charming touch to her overall ensemble. For an added element of style and a cinched waist, Mrunal sometimes incorporates waist belts into her traditional ensembles. These belts not only accentuate her figure but also add a contemporary touch to her traditional outfits. She often wears intricately designed finger rings that enhance the beauty of her hands, especially when she's showcasing henna designs. In some of her more opulent traditional looks, she selects traditional headpieces. These may include matha patis, maan tikkas, or pasas, which add regal charm and elegance to her style. Adding an extra layer of traditional allure, Mrunal occasionally wears waist chains or kamarband. These beautifully adorned chains highlight her waist and lend an air of royalty to her traditional attire. The actress knows the importance of pairing the right bag with her traditional outfits. She often carries clutches and portly bags that are adorned with traditional embroidery and motifs, enhancing the overall look. Mrunal often enhances her traditional look with armlets and armbands. These ornate pieces elegantly adorn her arms, making a striking statement and adding a regal touch to her traditional ensembles. For her traditional bridal looks, the actress sometimes incorporates a mang bharai. This forehead ornament is a significant part of Indian bridal jewelry, symbolizing prosperity and beauty. Chokers and hearts are a part of her traditional jewelry collection. These close-fitting necklaces are known for their elegance and make her neck the focal point of her traditional outfits. Pearls are a favorite of Mrunal in her traditional accessories. She often includes pearl jewelry, which exudes a timeless and sophisticated charm that beautifully complements her traditional attire. In a modern twist to traditional looks, the actress occasionally pairs her outfits with statement watches. These timepieces add a contemporary flair to her overall traditional style. One notable feature of Mrunal Thakur's traditional fashion is her selection of unique and intricate sari blouse designs. She often opts for custom-made or designer blouses, adding a touch of sophistication and creativity to her sari ensembles. She has a penchant for regional textiles, often choosing traditional fabrics like Banarasi silk, Kanjivaram silk, and Pathani silk for her saris. Her appreciation for these textiles highlights the diverse heritage of Indian fashion. Mrunal is an advocate for handloom fabrics, which are an integral part of her traditional fashion choices. She frequently wears hand-woven saris, supporting local artisans and preserving traditional weaving techniques. To add a modern twist to her traditional looks, she often incorporates capes and jackets. These layering pieces complement her saris and lehengas, creating unique and stylish ensembles. Her ability to drape a sari is nothing short of art. She often experiments with different draping styles, such as the Nevi drape, Bengali drape, and Gujarati drape, showcasing the versatility of this iconic Indian garment. Mrunal has a penchant for classic draped lehengas. She often chooses this traditional attire for weddings and festive occasions, showcasing the timeless charm of this ensemble. Another notable element of her traditional wardrobe is her collection of anarkalis. The actress skillfully blends traditional and contemporary styles with various lengths and cuts, creating versatile and elegant looks. Dupattas play a significant role in Mrunal's traditional choices. She uses them to add grace and elegance to her outfits, experimenting with different draping styles to complement her attire. While she often embraces rich and vibrant colors, she also has a penchant for ethereal pastels. These soft hues add a delicate and romantic touch to her traditional outfits. Mrunal occasionally chooses vintage-inspired traditional ensembles. She appreciates the timeless beauty of vintage fashion, which she reflects in her selection of traditional outfits. Mrunal effortlessly blends traditional with contemporary by embracing Indo-Western fusion outfits. She often combines traditional elements like an intricately embroidered blouse with a modern skirt or dhoti pants, creating a unique and stylish look. Chikankari, a traditional Indian embroidery style, is a favorite of Mrunal's. She frequently chooses outfits embellished with this delicate and timeless embroidery, exuding grace and elegance. The choice of blouses is crucial in traditional fashion, and Mrunal knows this well. She often selects beautifully crafted and customized blouses to add a unique touch to her saris. And there you have it, a glimpse into the traditional fashion choices of the stunning Mrunal Thakur. She's a true trendsetter in the industry and continues to inspire fashion enthusiasts worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.